Is your LG soundbar acting up? Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to reset your device and get your audio experience back on track. Sometimes all your soundbar needs is a quick reset. Let's start with the basic reset method using the soundbar buttons. Hold down the input and Bluetooth buttons together for about 10 seconds. Watch for a blinking light or listen for a beep that indicates a successful reset. If that doesn't work, we have another method. This time, use the power and Bluetooth buttons. Again, hold them down simultaneously for 10 seconds. You're looking for the same reset indicators as before. Still no luck? Let's try the power and volume down buttons next. Press and hold for 10 seconds. If the soundbar resets, you'll know by the familiar blinking or beeping. If your soundbar is stubborn, a factory reset might be necessary. Turn off the soundbar, disconnect all cables, and remove the device from your other gadgets. Wait a few minutes, then reconnect everything and power it back on. For those with a remote, you've got a shortcut. Press and hold the volume down and sound effect buttons. After a few seconds, the reset message should appear on the display. Don't forget your subwoofer. Make sure its LED is on. Press the pairing button on the back of the subwoofer for 5 seconds. After unplugging and reconnecting both devices, they should pair automatically. Lastly, if you're troubleshooting Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, a simple toggle or router reboot can do wonders. And that's it. Your LG soundbar should now be reset and ready to provide the high-quality sound you love. If you're still having issues, it might be time to reach out to LG support or consult a professional. For more tech tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If your issue hasn't been resolved, we have a detailed troubleshooting guide available. Click the link in the description. Drop a comment if you have questions or share your success stories. Thanks for watching.